Should I turn the white light on? It's because this battery's low, so I can't turn the light. Ow.
Okay, recording.
Okay. This is Aim Barnett, but you can't see him, and I can't turn my light on.
Hey guys, it's a YouTube video, and today we are actually going to be viewing actually some crazy major storms.
Thunderstorm.
Really major.
Anyways, this is FNAF Gang 124.
And this is Mr. Whaleman.
ZZZ.
No, just Whaleman.
I thought it was Mr. Will.
It's just Whaleman. I figured it out.
And that person still has a light up house.
This dude over here is a straight up savage.
Well, actually, he just went back in his house. So,
Not no savage, no mom.
dab.
So yeah.
See if I can
Get
catch him.
right to the video.
It's me. You can't see me. This stupid person's driving again. Stop driving, move the thunderstorm.
Savage, straight up.
He's back up. Guys, I thought. Guys, I did. Luckily, the storm is bright enough. Okay. Let's get on. Really? Can you not? Maybe that's not bright enough. Okay. Come on. I should get some footage here. This guy caught a tornado on footage.
I know. He was right in front of it. He went in it.
Actually, that was a sandstorm.
No, there was an actual dude that went into a tornado.
I'm trying to catch the middle of the pole there. But I won't. I know, but it's pretty boring, but when you catch it on camera, it's cool.
It stopped.
No, it didn't. Or maybe it did. I think it did. Hit the door.
No.
Let's hit the door. Huh? Hold on a second, I'll hit the door. Move.
Dude, you're gonna get in trouble.
That was me.
That was Travis. I wanted not to. He did it anyways.
I don't think it's gonna be anymore. Stop.
Storm's going away. It's gonna come back. What is it? Yep, it's gonna come back. It's so cold.
Yeah, totally. I think the water dried off all over here. Stop beeping your horn. Okay, no, it's there.
It's just sweet light.
Okay, no. I'm gonna sit back down. What are you doing? What are you doing right there? That hurt. I think I broke something. You know the camera can hear you. So, no.
Stop recording.
No. Stop it. No, really, stop. Aiden, stop. Mr. Whale. Really, Aiden, stop.
Did you guys catch any footage?